going to show you a really easy dump and go meal because I have a very busy day. So again, here I go cooking from my freezer to my crock pot. I've got 2 chicken breasts here, nice sized chicken breasts. And I'll tell you like I always do, my manufacturer, I already called them, and it is safe for me to cook my meat from the freezer right into the crock pot without thawing. You may have to call your manufacturer with your crock pot or slow cooker or whatever it is you have, because this normally isn't recommended. But with the answer they gave me that it's perfectly safe, then I can do this. I just have to cook it on high for like an hour and a half or so before I turn it down on low. So anyway, those, I have my 2 chicken breasts in there, and I'm just going to quarter these potatoes. And throw them in there. This is going to be just an easy, simple meal. And I love it. Okay, now I'm going to set them aside. Actually, I'm going to salt or pepper that a little bit. Because you know me and pepper. I love this stuff. Okay, now I'm going to set that aside a minute because I have to mix some stuff. Okay, first off, you can use any cream of soup you want. I happen to be using cream of chicken because that is my hubby's favorite. So I'm going to do 1 can of cream of chicken. This makes such an easy meal. I love this. You'll like this. Okay, I don't want to waste any. Alright. Like that. Now I'm going to use 1 package of ranch. Ranch mix. Dry ranch mix. Okay. Oh, I forgot my milk. I'm always forgetting something. And I'm going to put about 1/2 cup of milk in here. Now I'm going to whisk this together and get this out of here. Save that, I might need that. I'm just going to whisk this together, just like so. This will be a nice creamy, actually I'm going to use just a little more milk. Just a little more. I know it's going to thin down a little when it's in the crock pot, but I still want to put a little more in there. There, that looks pretty good. Okay, see how nice that looks? That smells wonderful. Okay. So, we are going to take, and we are simply going to dump this all over our chicken. Look at there. Now certainly when you make this, if you make it, you can leave the potatoes out and serve it over noodles or rice, or you can serve it over it anyway, even with the potatoes, but a lot of people do one or the other. So you could serve it over rice, over noodles, leave the potatoes in it, and I forgot to add my veggies to it. I'm in such a hurry. I got a busy day going. So I'm just going to take this and put about 1/2 bag. I'm going to do the whole thing. Put that bag of veggies in there. There we go. As that gets going, I'll give that a good mix around. Those will be wonderful in there. I knew I was forgetting something. Okay, now I'm going to put mine on high for about the first hour and a half, and then I'm going to turn it down on low and let it go for a good 5 to 6 hours. If you're using thawed out chicken, you can just leave it on low for 6 to 8 hours or on high for about 4 to 5 hours. But that's it. That's all I do. Make sure I got enough pepper in mine. I'm not going to put any salt in this. You may want to add salt to yours, and that's fine. Go ahead. But I'm not going to put any because the cream soups tend to be a little salty. So that's all I'm going to do. I'm going to put it in my slow cooker sleeve and cover it and turn it on and let it go. And when it's all done, I'll bring you back and show you how it looks. Friends, I am back from my busy day, and this is beautiful. Look at it. It just falls apart. Isn't that gorgeous? That chicken is done so nice and tender. All right, I'm going to go. Look at the potatoes are done. Everything's good. I'm going to go and I'm going to serve some up for my husband for his dinner. Give that a try. It's going to be wonderful. Thanks for watching.